little Boxing Day update. Yes, it's Boxing Day. Not doing much work today. I think the wife would kill me if I did. But we are going away for a few days in this. And so I've been giving it a bit of a clean up. This car was accident damaged. If you watch back, I'll link to it. There's a video which shows the whole front end off of this car. And there's a video coming up, which is me finishing it off and getting it ready for its new owner, which might be you. I don't know if it's the sort of thing you're looking for. This is a 4.2 litre V8 Supercharged Petrol Range Rover Sport. It's a 2006, even though it's not a personal plate. A personal plate will go with it. I've just taken the letters off the front here because they looked really crummy, and I'm going to get some new ones and stick it on. We have replaced the whole front end, rebuilt it, put the bumper back together again because you can't get another one of these. This is an Overfinch bumper from 2006 and you just can't buy them. So I had no choice but to rebuild it and repaint it, which is obviously all done and it's looking fabulous. We have done a load of work on the interior, which is a black interior, and she looks lovely. Everything works as it should. We've rebuilt the front driver's seats because anybody who's got a Range Rover will know that at this sort of age they typically end up with cuts and scars and rips and things like that. So we've rebuilt it all with new fabric. This is, as I say, it's an Overfinch, and it's a supercharged sport. As I say, we're going to be using this for the next few days. We're going to go and do some family visits and things like that. We're going to head over towards Bristol direction. And when we get back, this has got to go to the dealers to have its final factory recall ticked off to say that's done, and get the aircon recharged, and then it will be ready for you. And this car will be for sale in January, should you want it. It won't be much money for what it is. An absolutely immaculate. Oh, it's only got 77,000 miles on it from new. All verified, and it runs beautifully. I've serviced the engine, serviced the gearbox, done all those types of things that you need to do with these cars. Does 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. 440 brake horsepower, I believe. It is a wicked machine. I'm going to miss it, but we've got to make space. We've got to make space so that we can work on that one there, which is going to be the project for January, the rebuild of that car, and buy another one. I wonder what we're going to get next. I'd really like another of these 4.2 litre V8 supercharged cars. I might go for the Jag this time, Jag XJ8. I don't know, what would you do? Let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in this car sometime in January, you can also drop me a line either in the comments or email me, steve@stevesteel.co.uk. And I'll catch you all on the next one. Love ya.